Welcome to episode 1 of our series on the violin. Today we'll explore the fascinating history of the violin, learn about its different parts, and discover its significance in various music genres. The violin has a rich history, dating back to the 16th century, and has evolved into the instrument we know and love today. Its unique design and beautiful sound have allowed it to become an integral part of classical, jazz, folk, and even rock music. Throughout this episode, we'll be showcasing images and short clips of different violins, famous violinists, and historical footage to help you better understand the instrument and its impact on music. Join us as we embark on this musical journey and gain a deeper appreciation for the violin.